Hey, what's up? It's Matt here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install ChipBot on Shopify. Before we get started, please make sure you have the ChipBot dashboard on one tab, the Shopify admin dashboard on the second tab, and your Shopify public website on the third tab. To start, go to your ChipBot dashboard. On the left-hand navigation, go to Customize ChipBot, then go to the Install ChipBot page, and click Copy Code. Now, go to your Shopify admin dashboard on the second tab. From here, it's a small maze, but I'll help you navigate through it. On the left-hand side, under Sales Channel, click Online Store. Make sure you're on the Themes page. And on the right, click the Actions drop-down and click Edit Code. Next, on the left-hand side, you see a list of your files. We only care about this theme.liquid file under the Layout section. And from here, scroll down all the way to the bottom. And right before the closing body tag, just paste your ChipBot code. And on the top right, click the Save blue button. Finally, go to your third tab and simply click Refresh. And let me hide this bar. And you should see the ChipBot now installed in your website. And that's it. If you have any questions, please reach out within your dashboard, email us, or DM us on our Twitter handler @GetChipBot. Thank you, and talk to you soon.